Are you looking for an easy way to create consistent AI characters? Join me as I walk you through using Leonardo AI to achieve that effortlessly. Please be aware that using the tool revealed in this video requires a paid plan. Let's get started. Sign in to your Leonardo account. Then, hit the image generation button. Click the image upload icon on the left side of the prompt bar and select character reference. Now, you must provide a face shot of your character to be used as a reference image. If you already have an image of your character ready to go, you can upload it here. You can also select one of your Leonardo-generated images or one from the community feed. I will use one of my previously generated images. Click the drop-down arrow to select the character reference strength. To get the closest result to my reference image, I will choose High. Next, type in a description of what you want to see in your image. Now, pick a preset and a preset style. I generated the reference image using Cinematic Keynote and Fashion as the preset style, and I'll stick with that for now. To achieve the best results, I'll switch the generation mode to Quality. Choose the image dimensions based on the platform or project you want to use it for. Then, choose how many images you want to generate. If you do not want your images to appear in the community feed, enable private mode. For now, I'll stick with the default advanced settings. Time to hit the Generate button. That turned out really impressive. You can go ahead and play around with different prompts. Feel free to combine the character reference tool with other image guidance features, such as style reference. Click the image upload icon and select style reference. I'll use one of my uploaded images as a reference. How strongly do you want the reference image's style to be applied? I will opt for High. Add a prompt and hit Generate. As you can see, the consistent character image now has the same style as the reference image. Want to showcase your character in a specific pose? Tap the image upload icon and hit View More. Next, select Pose to Image and upload an image showing the pose you want. Move the slider to choose the strength. I will increase the strength to 1.2. Play around with it if the first result isn't perfect. Enter a prompt and hit Generate. Leonardo did a great job capturing the pose from the reference image in the generated images. To achieve good results with this feature, ensure that the pose in your reference image isn't too complex. How about adding some rainbow core to our character? Click the image upload icon. Below, you can see Elements. Click on View More. Elements are specific styles you can easily apply to your image, like line art, flames, or glitch art. I'll go for rainbow core. Select the strength. Add a prompt and hit Generate. And here it is, our character now in rainbow core style. Now, let's go over some tips to help you achieve the best results. Character reference works great for human characters, but might struggle with animals. Describing the appearance of the character in the prompt helps to create optimal results. If your reference image has not been generated with Leonardo, make sure to provide a highly detailed prompt. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!